Good afternoon, Your Excellency, Ambassador Zbogar, the team, our students. We are honored that our students have a chance to talk to you and to get information that interests them about the European Union from the first person of the European Union in our country. So I hope that you will have a pleasant and productive debate and that you will all enjoy.
Hi, I'm Bojana. I'm third grade in medicine school. I have a question. Does the way of educationing is going to change as we enter in European Union?
I was going to ask what happens when a country gets part in the European Union.
The same, I want to ask what are the benefits when we get in the European Union?
I want to ask the ambassador, how is the European Union funded? Where does the money come from?
I'm also happy to be on the chat with young people because you still think out of the box, and that's why it's always inspiring talking to you. To hear your comments or to hear your questions, which also reveal a lot about what you're thinking about. So I appreciate. I think it's mutual enjoyment. But thank you very much.
Секој би сакал да биде дел од едно вакво искуство, но ете ние ја имавме честа. Амбасадорот е многу приземен човек и можевме да споделиме се што сакавме со него и тој беше заинтересиран за сите работи што сакавме да му ги кажеме.
I really enjoyed talking to such a great man that he is in high function, but in this discussion he was not that serious like a man with a huge power. He was funny, honest, and interested in our achievements.
The online debate with the European ambassador was excited and motivated. It's a pleasure to share our beautiful experience with Erasmus Plus project. I hope we will have more training like this.
We had a brief conversation with the ambassador and I got more familiar with the mission of the European Union.
Исто така споменавме нешто за реновирање на офицерскиот дом. Споделивме неколку искуства и амбасадорот беше заинтересиран за сите наши теми.
Посебно внимание ми привлече кога дискутираше за филмската индустрија во Македонија и како ќе се подобри со влегување на EU.
He gave us a lot of insight on important topics and he was very honest, detailed and down to earth while doing it.
Особено впечаток ми остави неговата визија и неговите ставови за медицинските работници.
We learned valuable lessons regarding European Union and his opinion and the support offered during this pandemic to North Macedonia. It was an amazing experience and we can't wait to meet him in person in Bitola and showing some of our eco-action as it's famous as Metice Plastic.
We learned so much new information about the education and the European Union itself, and we were able to talk open and get the honest answers, and we have actually no limits in the talking, so we are looking forward to many more debates like this.